Hey guys, it's Tori from Monogram Moments, and today I'm going to walk you through how to use these Santa hat pom pom blank designs to create a two-color combo. So you can go to my website, add to cart, purchase, and download, and I'm going to be using both Photoshop and Silhouette Studio. So I've opened up a new canvas in Photoshop, and whenever you use Photoshop, when you're on the Move tool right here, always make sure that this right here is checked because it makes your life so much easier. Okay, so I've got my Santa hat downloaded, and this is what it's going to look like. You're going to have a PDF with instructions. It's got the sizing on it and everything. Then you got your Santa hat with the base colors, and then you've got your top colors. So what you're going to do is start with your base color, and I'm going to say I want my base to be navy. So I'm just going to select and drop this over here, and then I will select OK. Don't change the size of these because they're sized perfectly for the blanks. So then I want to choose my top color. So let's say my team is gold. So I'll select this one and I will drag and drop it, and I will select check mark. Okay, so now I need to put this one perfectly on top. So I'm going to use on my MacBook my option key. I'm holding my option and my mouse and I'm scrolling in. If you have a PC, you will hold your alt button. So now I will just take this and place it as close as I can. I'm mostly looking at the top, and that looks really good to me right there. Now say I could only really get it this close, you can use your arrow keys on your keyboard to just bump that up until that looks good to you. And there you go, you've got a two-tone pom-pom now, and then now you can add your name and or your team even, and your year right here, really whatever you want. And if you want, you can go ahead and select both of these and right click and select merge layers. So now it's just one single pom pom. And there you go. And now we'll do Silhouette Studio. Okay, so I've got my blank canvas. Again, I'm going to open up my just a separate file folder. So notice I did not go to File Open. I just opened this up on my computer. Okay, so again, I will select a different color this time. Let's use the orange base. So I'm going to drag and drop it. There's my orange base. And now I'm going to select my top color. We'll do purple. So I'm just going to hold and drag and drop it. Be sure you drag it away from your first. And then again, I'm going to zoom in so I can see this. Since you drug in the second one last, it should automatically be on top, but if it's not, you can use these buttons up here and bring it forward. All right, so I'm just placing that on top. And see I've got a little bit of white up there, so I'm going to use my arrow key, and there we go. So now I have a purple and orange pom-pom. And again, you could select all of these, right click and select group. So now you can move this just as one pom-pom. And these already should be the correct size. And again, I tell you the size inside of your instructions right here. So I'm telling you the width should be 2.673, which it is, and the height should be 3.553, which it is. So this is good to print. I do always suggest printing on black and white on copy paper and line up your blank just to make sure, because sometimes, even though the sizing says it's correct, different softwares will be off just by a hair. So I would check that on your copy paper before you print on your sub paper with your color ink. And then if it's good to go, print and adjust if you need to. And then that's all, you guys. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, please let me know in the comments below, and happy creating.